Welcome to the Sustainability Podcast, where we delve into the latest trends, innovations, and partnerships that are driving sustainable solutions across the globe. I'm Jim Frazier, and today we have an exciting lineup of 10 topics that illustrate the transformative power of collaboration in a variety of industries. These topics actually are featured articles from the past week on arcweb.com, where you can go there and find longer versions for more in-depth reading. First up, let's start with a groundbreaking initiative in the circular economy. Dow and Freepoint Eco-Systems have announced a supply agreement to transform plastic waste into new virgin-grade equivalent plastics. This partnership aims to process an estimated 65,000 metric tons of certified circular plastic waste-derived pyrolysis oil annually. This oil will be produced at a new advanced recycling facility in Eloy, Arizona, diverting end-of-life plastic waste from landfills or incineration. The resulting pyrolysis oil will be used by Dow to create new plastic products suitable for food grade and medical packaging. This collaboration highlights the commitment of both companies to advancing sustainable solutions and demonstrates the potential of innovative recycling systems to foster a circular economy for plastics in North America. Of course, for more detailed insights on this news item as well as the remainder for today, visit arcweb.com. Next up, advancements in clean energy and EV infrastructure. Volkswagen and Noodoe have launched a high-speed EV charging network in Taiwan. This new network, powered by Noodoe's EV operating system, features 360 kilowatt DC fast charging stations with an industry-leading 98% uptime. The cloud-based system ensures unmatched reliability and streamlines the charging experience for EV drivers. This initiative marks a significant milestone in Taiwan's transition towards cleaner transportation solutions. It showcases how strategic partnerships can accelerate the adoption of sustainable technologies, contributing to reduced emissions and environmental stewardship. Of course, you can learn more about this as well at arcweb.com. In a similar vein, Schneider Electric and Capgemini have joined forces to help companies achieve energy optimization. Their Energy Command Center leverages advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and IoT to monitor, predict, and optimize energy consumption across various assets. This platform has already demonstrated substantial energy savings and reduced carbon emissions. By integrating these digital solutions, organizations can simplify energy management and enhance operational efficiency. The collaboration exemplifies the effectiveness of integrated platforms in driving sustainability and achieving net zero goals. Shifting gears to artificial intelligence, the U.S. has unveiled a strategic vision for the U.S. Artificial Intelligence Safety Institute at the AI Summit in Seoul. This vision emphasizes the importance of responsible AI development and global cooperation to mitigate risks associated with AI and related technologies. The AISI aims to advance the science of AI safety, disseminate best practices, and support institutions in coordinating efforts around AI safety. Key goals include conducting testing of advanced models, developing guidelines for risk mitigation, and performing technical research. This initiative underscores the need for a collaborative approach to harness the benefits of AI while ensuring its safe deployment. Next up, streamlining product specification development. Schneider Electric has launched Spec Live Collaborate, a platform designed to modernize and streamline product specification development. Developed in partnership with RIB software, RIB, Spec Live Collaborate provides real-time access to cloud-hosted specification content, thus reducing coordination gaps and improving accuracy. This platform helps specifiers and engineers develop more accurate and efficient specifications. By improving upon static document-based processes, it also empowers teams to work more collaboratively. The platform also integrates with RIB's SpecLink, expanding access to Schneider Electric's products and curated prescriptive content. Our next story on community resilience and renewable energy highlights the role of local leadership in climate adaptation. On a previous episode this week of the Sustainability Podcast, Eli Beckman, the mayor of Corte Madera, met with Gavin Simon to share insights on how his town is mitigating climate change impacts through the initiatives like the Community Choice Aggregators program. These publicly owned utilities provide clean, affordable energy to residents, making renewable energy more accessible. The mayor's work in sustainable architecture and his involvement in the Climate Mayors Group exemplifies how local leaders can drive meaningful change. His efforts demonstrate the potential for community-driven sustainability initiatives to truly make a significant impact. Microgrid solutions and related innovations. Schneider Electric has introduced the Velaya Flex microgrid solution at the Alliance for Rural Electrification Energy Access Investment Forum in Lagos, Nigeria. This solution is designed to provide clean, independent electricity to off-grid communities, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. By maximizing clean energy and reducing reliance on gensets, Velaya Flex aims to enhance energy resilience and sustainability in underserved regions. The solution includes components such as a hybrid power conversion unit and scalable battery storage. It aligns with global efforts to ensure access to clean and affordable energy, which is a key sustainable development goal. Community solar and renewable energy partnerships. Pivot Energy has partnered with the EV supplier Rivian on a total of 60 megawatts of solar energy, with Rivian purchasing renewable energy certificates and subscribing to community solar for its Illinois manufacturing facility. This partnership supports new solar projects and contributes to local community initiatives. By channeling clean energy resources into regions with few solar resources, Rivian is making a significant impact on emissions reductions. The collaboration also includes investments in local community organizations. Rivian's decarbonization strategy aims to support extensive renewable energy development in the future. Then, in the area of corporate restructuring, DuPont has announced plans to separate into 3 distinct publicly traded companies. The separation will allow each entity to focus on its core strengths and pursue strategic growth opportunities independently. New DuPont will remain a premier diversified industrial company, while the electronics and water businesses will benefit from increased focus and agility in their respective industries. This restructuring aims to create stronger, more competitive standalone companies with compelling investment profiles. Each new company will have a strong balance sheet and attractive financial prospects. And last for this week, Ethernet APL use cases in the process industry. Nomura and ZVEI have released a comprehensive collection of Ethernet APL use cases in the process industry. Ethernet APL, based on single-pair Ethernet, offers significant benefits for engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning, operations, maintenance, and smart sensors. The publication highlights how Ethernet APL can enhance communication and data exchange, driving digital transformation in the process industry. Dedicated task forces have been established to support the implementation of Ethernet APL. This technology promises to improve operational efficiency and safety in virtually all industrial environments. That's all for today's episode of the Sustainability Podcast. Each of these stories highlights the transformative impact of innovative solutions and strategic partnerships in driving sustainability across the industrial world. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights and updates on the latest trends in sustainability on the Sustainability Podcast. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us today.